So hello guys, welcome back to another session of post-market analysis, and in this session we are going to discuss how much we anticipate, like what we anticipated and what actually happened in the market. Okay, so this particular post-market analysis was for 20 sorry on the for Friday. Okay, for like 26, 25, 24. Okay, 24 Jan, right? It was for 24 Jan Friday. But let's see what actually happened, right? You guys can see these particular red candles, okay, red lines, this particular red lines. These particular red lines are actually showing us some news was there for EURUSD or GBPUSD, whatever it was, right? Okay, so now we can see on, if we discuss about EURUSD, what we anticipated that this is a buy side thing, right? I hope you have watched pre-market analysis and only then come to this post-market analysis. Then otherwise there is no sense of coming to this video. Okay, so post-market analysis, we saw that this is a buy stop, right? And this buy stop got taken. Yes, and that is what we anticipated. Okay, the buy stop should be taken out, and what we anticipated that the buy stop should be taken out and the market should go down. That is what we anticipated, and it was Friday. Obviously, the movement will be opposite of what we anticipated. So it didn't take out the sell stops. Sorry, it didn't take out the sell stops after taking up buy stops, but actually it rallied higher. So yes, we lost on our trade. Okay, and because some kind of news was there plus Friday. So in the next particular and pre-market analysis, we'll try to consider all these factors. If there's some lot of news are there, okay, and also the Friday market is there, we'll try avoiding trading. Okay, but anyways, we lost around $30 for on over this trade, and we just got out of this trade. As you let me just tell you what actually happened. Where did I take a trade from? Okay, so yeah, actually I think I took a trade on GBPUSD, not EURUSD. Okay, this was for EURUSD, and obviously the GBPUSD will also do the same movement. Okay, so let's go on for GBPUSD. Okay, so this particular white line was a fair value gap, and this is a inverted fair value gap. Okay, I think I have already told you about this, right? What I actually anticipated for the this particular GBPUSD to happen is, we go on 5-minute time frame. So this particular yellow boxes, you can see yellow lines. This is a OT zone. Okay, so from this I anticipated for the market to go down, and also there was a fair value gap, and also there was an inverted fair value gap. So you guys can see there was a good rejection from this inverted fair value gap, and because of this fair value gap to a downward direction. Okay, got it. Now, but why, what I anticipated, I saw this broke down. Okay, you guys can see I saw this broke down, and I thought the price will go down and take out these sell stops. Okay, that is what I anticipated, and I entered on this trade somewhere over here at this point. It went down and it took out my stop loss, and that is it. I was out of the trade, and I didn't took the trade. Why? Because of one reason. You guys can see, if somehow we see this kind of structure, we should always get out of the trade. Okay, so you guys can see one thing. Why did I think that, okay, this is not going to be no more in my direction? Why? It is because of one reason. You guys can see this is a fair value gap. Okay, that was created, and at the same point of time this particular fair value gap was inverted as well. You guys can see this zone. Okay, this is a fair value gap, and this is also fair value gap, but the common region is going to become the inverted fair value gap, and the price came back to that position, gave us an entry. And if we could have, thought about, there are buy stops which are resting up for a very long time. Okay, now the buy stops were resting over for a very long time, and yes, although it has been creating sell stop, but now the market has rallied higher. Okay, and it is tending to the higher buy stops what we anticipated. Okay, no, like this is not what we anticipated, but yes. So all in all, we were wrong on this trade, but it's fine. Okay, because we have a risk reward model, we have our win rates, we know all these things. So even if we lose, it's not a big deal. Okay, so yes, this is the thing. Now we are in some 79% zone. It can take out these buy stops, and it can take out these buy stops. There are a lot of, okay, there are equal highs, there are equal highs as well in here. Okay, so a lot of buy stops are there which needs to be taken now. Got it? Okay, so we'll see in the next week what can happen. And also, because I was like 1 or 2 days I was not concentrating on live back testing, I'll start my back testing today itself. I'll try to clear 2 or 3 backlogs of live back testing. You guys can watch my live back testing as well if you want to. I think this is for the session, and in the pre-market analysis videos you will see my link to chart. Okay, so you guys can check out the link from the pre-market analysis. And that is it for the day, guys. Take care. See ya. Bye bye. Have a nice day. We were wrong on this trade, but it's fine. Okay, we are going to be wrong sometimes. Trading is not always about being right. Okay, that is it. Take care. See ya. Bye bye. Have a nice day.